Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Canva on iPad. Let's start with something simple. First, go to Canva app. Click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. You can pick from custom dimensions or a range of pre-selected sizes. Canva makes it easy to start your design by including templates for the optimal sizes on many social media platforms. We'll grab an Instagram post for this sample video. You can also select things like Pinterest image, a Twitter post, a Facebook post, or more. Then set your background. With the black canvas in front of us, let's choose a background. You can pick a plain color or pattern. There are abstract image and even photos to choose from. You could also select a photo and add this to the background. This includes photos you upload. Then, add your text. Go to Text on the left-hand menu and there are options to choose a simple text box or some font combinations and effects. Choose a font combination idea to start with. Type in the code you want to use and select the one you want and then use the round dots in each corner to make it bigger. Step 4. Add your name or URL. To add your URL or name to the graphic, select a text box and move it to the bottom. You can change the size and also match up the fonts with the ones used. Just select the font menu or the size menu along the top. And step 5, finish and save. Give your code a name so you can spot the file on the computer. It will default to the words on the screen or sometimes untitled. Then use the download button to download it. Select your favorite format. And your code is ready to use. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.